history, counting our steps. Walking in history, fun and learning for all. Walking in history, have fun.
Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Before we get started, I'm just going to do a little recap on what we've done so far in this DJI Neo beginner's guide. So far we've updated the controller, updated the drone, put the safety strap on, put the new propellers on. So if you want to go and see those videos, the card, the play card thingy will be somewhere around here. I think around there. Should pop up there at some point in the video. But this video will be a fairly short video. It'll be putting back on the propeller protectors. So let's get right into it. So we'll put the left side on first. My left, your right. They are quite finicky, so I'll first of all show you where all the little notches are. I'll take it off camera just so I can use both my hands. So they're the notches. Here, here, and here, and same with the other side. Here, here, in the middle, and there. So take it off camera and clip these on. They are fairly easy to get muddled up. So I'm quite unsure of the pricings of these propeller covers, but I'm sure you can find them on the official DJI website, which will links down in the description somewhere down there. There we go, that little clip if you had it. There's one side done, and we're going to get the other one, and we're going to put that one on. So let's see if we can actually do this one on camera. Push it up. The Neo is quite a new drone, only about 6 months ago it was released. I think it's a bit more now. I think it's about 7, somewhere around that mark, 6-7 months ago, but it's fairly new. Fairly new. Alright, there's the propeller guards on. There you go. That's stage 3 complete. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like, and click the notification to keep up with these beginner guides for the DJI Neo and the Mini 3 Pro. Beginner's guides or series, whichever one you would prefer. But until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history.